one of the best parts of Christmas is the delicious traditional home-cooked meals. Sitting with your loved ones and feasting together is a classic way to celebrate Christmas in the country. Today on the Christmas table, we'll be having with us Martin and Annie Howard, and with a little help from outside, they'll be cooking for us mince pies, a traditional British Christmas delicacy. So what are we waiting for? Shall we get in?
Until I've had my first mince pie, Christmas hasn't started. This is almost a British ritual. So today we're going to show you how to make mince pies. So the ingredients. First we take 1 pound of cooking apples, cored and finely chopped. Then we have 8 ounces of shredded suet, and then we have 12 ounces of raisins, and then 8 ounces of sultanas, which are very like raisins but slightly different, and then 8 ounces of currants, and I have to say currants aren't easy to come by in India, it's a bit of a search. Then 8 ounces of mixed candied peel, finely chopped, and this has been prepared before. 12 ounces of soft brown sugar. This is a very sweet dish. Grated rind of 2 oranges and grated rind of 2 lemons. 2 ounces of whole almonds cut into slivers. 4 teaspoonsful of mixed spice. And then we have half a teaspoonful of ground cinnamon. That's very easy to get in the market. Next we have half a nutmeg, grated, and then 6 tablespoonsful of brandy. Then what we have to do is mix all that up and leave it. Then we place the mincemeat loosely covered with foil in a cool gas oven, 120 degrees centigrade, for 3 hours. To make the mince pies, which we do by rolling out the pastry. And so you make your round, and this tin has 12 slots in it. And so we put the pastry in each of these, and then having put the mincemeat on, we cover it with a cap. So the mince that we did yesterday, and that has cooked. So that now goes in here. Splendid. Now we roll out again and make the tops. The work is done. What remains now is to put it in the oven, already at 120 degrees centigrade, and it takes about 10 minutes to cook them, and then we shall taste them.